Matt Williams with the Turf and Boards. I'm here with Blizzard goalkeeper Miguel Rosales. Heck of a game. Heck of a game. How do you feel?
I feel great. I got the W, so that's important, obviously. So had some big shoes to fill in last weekend. Saw the game, so it's good to be 2-0. So.
Yeah, Jared played a heck of a game last week, and then you followed it up this week with a heck of a game. It helps having a good defense in front of you.
Absolutely. So that's where I owe it to. So we knew it was going to be a tough game. So I don't save them all sometimes. So sometimes they go in, and then at the same time the defense makes their blocks and sacrifice their bodies. So I appreciate that too. So.
Yeah, a bunch of huge blocks in front of you. Jay Hamilton had one early. Good two-way play by Steve Torres.
Right, yep.
Alex Mosley played huge. Everybody played huge tonight.
Absolutely. So again, it's a team win. So at the end of the day, it's a W. So we're happy with it, and then we're just gonna, head back and go to work again on Tuesday. So.
All right. Congratulations. Good game.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.